morning, children. We are going to start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Ways to Travel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the first wheel that was invented, the importance of means of transport, the different vehicles used in villages and cities, and the importance of these transport that we use in our daily life. We travel from one place to another for different reasons. We can walk to places which are near our house, but to go to far off places, we need vehicles to move on. The vehicles that we use to move from one place to another are called means of transport. People use these means of transport for various reasons, either to travel for work, for leisure, or for pleasure, and these people are called passengers. The means of transport depends upon what type of vehicle we choose, the money we can pay for it, the distance it can cover, and the time that we need to travel. We choose vehicles according to the choice of our own, and we see the comfort that it gives us while we are traveling. Long time ago, early men used to travel only on foot. Whenever he needed anything, he used to go only by foot. If he needed wood or hunted animals, he used to carry it on his back, or two of them together used to carry these hunted animals. Slowly he started to tame animals like horses and donkeys and started to use them to carry his loads. He also learned to ride on horsebacks. He used them to carry goods and to ride on them. One day, while early man was resting in the forest, he found a log rolling down a slope very easily. The next day he tried again to see whether it can roll on a plain ground, but it was very difficult for it to roll. So then he realized that a log can roll easily down a sloping area. So he cut these logs into round pieces and he tried rolling it down a slope. And he found that logs rolled easily rather than dragging them on the ground. Then he took two round pieces of logs and attached them and made it like a wheelbarrow. And he carried things on this wheelbarrow. It was very easy for it because these round wheels rolled down easily. Thus, the round things cut from logs, wheels were made out of it. The first wheel that was made was used by the potter, and this is called the potter's wheel. The potter used these wheels to make beautiful pots. Wheels are used in various things. Wheels are used in the sewing machine. Wheels are used in vehicles. Wheels are used in the giant wheel and in many more things. Slowly these wheels were used in different vehicles, and these vehicles which have wheels run on roads, tracks, and even in the air. These are called means of transport. Students, I hope you have understood so far how the wheel was invented and where these wheels are used. Now for your homework, you have to write down in your copy different examples where these advanced wheels are used.